Her second question is Tahajjud. How should we pray it? Again, Tahajjud is any prayer that comes after sleeping. So it is part of the night prayer, as Taraweeh is part of the night prayer. So the main name for it is night prayer. Anything you pray after Isha and before Fajr, this is all called night prayer. If it's in Ramadan in congregation, this is called Taraweeh. If you sleep and wake up and pray afterwards, this is called Tahajjud. So you should pray it to then conclude your prayer, as the Prophet used to do it, alayhi salatu wasalam, and then offer your witr. And do I restrict myself to 11 rak'ahs? If you wish to do this, this is okay. The Prophet ﷺ usually used to pray as much. If you would like to add more, there is no restriction. The Prophet did not prohibit it, alayhi salatu wasalam, or restrict it, so you can go ahead and do it, and try to make it as long as possible. So the more you pray, the more you read Quran in it and stand, the more preferred it is to Allah Azza wa Jal. If you don't know the Quran, hold your mobile phone or your PDA and read the Quran, 1 juzu, 2 juzu, 3 juzu, as much as you can, and Allah Azza wa Jal loves this from you.